Hello, students. Let's start our first ever YouTube live class. Welcome to Raghu Sainik School online classes. I am your Raghu sir regarding of English language. Good noon to everyone. Okay. Today we are going to discuss the prepositions in that on rules. In previous classes, we have completed in and at rules. Today we are going to discuss the on rules. Okay, let's start the on rules. The rule number one regarding of on rule is on is used before specific. Let I have to change my pen. Please wait. Right now. On is used before specific. I have already discussed with you what is mean specific. Specific means particular. Specific means particular. Specific means particular. Okay. Particular day, date, day of the week. Whatever it may be, the day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. These are all days of the week. Day means day is also Monday, Friday. Suppose October 2nd. October 2nd is a day and day is or not. And August 5th. Whatever it may be is the day. Okay. Date is also is like that. August 15th is 15th September, whatever it may be the date. For that we need to use on rule. Okay. Gandhi was born dash October 2nd. It denoting date now. So we need to use on. I will come dash Monday. Monday is become what? Day of the week. That's why we need to use what, Nana? We need to use on. We need to use on. Okay, clear. So here I want to show you the difference between the at, in, on. If you are saying about the clock time, if you are saying about the clock time, if you are denoting about the clock time, which means suppose 3 p.m. we are starting the class 3 p.m. we need to use at. We need to use at. Okay. We need to use at. Suppose this is Wednesday now. We need to use on Wednesday. On Wednesday. Okay. In the year what? In the year of 2021. Okay. Clear? Is this clear? Clear, Nana? Is this clear? Okay. This is at was used to denote the exact clock time. Exact clock time. Papan తీసుకో. At is used to denote the clock time. On is used to denote the week. What it is? Week. It means the weekdays. Okay. In is used for period of time. What is period of time? Okay. Period of time. Okay. Period of time. Okay. Clear? Is this difference is clear, Nana? Is the difference is clear? Please wait a minute. Next, rule number 2. What is rule number 2? On is used for specific part of any day. Here you will get part. What are the part of the days? Morning, afternoon, evening, evening. Sorry, my dear students. So morning, evening. Sir, in our in rules we have already discussed that in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening and at night, no, sir. But you are saying again we have to use on for this. But there is a difference. What is the difference? Specific part of any day. If you are referring Sunday night, if you are referring Sunday night, we need to use on. If you are simply night, we need to use just at. Okay, clear or not? So here we have the example. They come here dash Friday night. Friday night. Night means we need to use at. But we are saying that Friday night we need to use on. Means that weekday plus part of the day. Okay. For that we need to use on. Okay. Clear? Is this clear? Is this clear? They left for Mumbai dash the night of August 4th. The night of August 4th. For this night, we need to use on. Okay, clear? This is clear. Specific part. Okay. Next, rule number 3. Rule number 3 is very clear that it shows the position. On is used to indicate position of the object or anything. So the diagram or the picture you can see here, the ball is, where is the box is here. Okay, in that box the ball is above the box, that means that on the box. If it is touching, it is on the box. For the books is, sorry, the book is on the table, which means if it is at a table, there is a book on the table. Okay, the boy sat on the bench. Clear? This shows the rule number 3 shows the position of the object. Clear? Right, this is rule number 3. Next, rule number 4. On is used to indicate membership. Very, 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 very important. It shows the membership. Okay. It means if you are a member of a committee, it means Raghu is on committee means committee మీద రఘు ఏం లేడు, కమిటీలో ఉన్నాడు. Okay, committee he is a member. On means it's showing that he is in that committee. Okay, got it? If you have a membership, it means it on. If you have to use on. Okay, clear? Right. Next, rule number 5. On is used for because of, which means cause. Cause if it is a cause, we need to use on. For suppose there is no tax dash printed books. Printed books కాబట్టి tax లేదు. Because of printed books, there is no tax. That's why we need to use on. There is no tax on printed books. He acted dash my advice. Because of my advice, he acted. That's why we need to use on advice of, on my advice, on the recommendation of. Okay, cause, if it is showing the cause, we need to use on. Is this clear? Right, Nana. Next one is rule number 6. On is used for condition. Condition means how you are doing a thing. How you are doing a thing, or how you are, whatever it may be. Suppose if we see the example, Raju went to school dash foot. He goes on foot. That's why we need to use on foot, not by walk. By walk వాడకూడదు. He is dash duty, on duty. She is dash holiday, on holiday. On sale, on fire. Okay, for all this we need to use on. It means it's showing the condition, then we have to use on. Okay, next, that is rule number 6. Next, rule number 7. It is no preposition is used before yesterday, టుడే, టుమారో. ఈ 3 వర్డ్స్ వచ్చాయంటే ఏ ప్రిపోజిషన్ కూడా వాడకూడదు. దట్ మీన్స్ అట్ కానీ, ఇన్ కానీ, బై కానీ, ఆన్ కానీ, ఏ ప్రిపోజిషన్ వాడకూడదు. దేనికి? ఎస్టర్డే, టుడే, టుమారో. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ మీట్ యూ టుమారో. ఆన్ టుమారో కాదు, ఇన్ టుమారో కాదు, బై టుమారో కాదు, అట్ టుమారో కాదు, ఏ టుమారో కాదు, జస్ట్ టుమారో. ఓకే, Anu met you yesterday. Okay, which means yesterday. For that yesterday also we don't want to use any preposition. Clear? Is this clear? We have class today. We have a class today. Today కి ముందు ఏ ప్రిపోజిషన్ కూడా వాడకూడదు. What means no preposition needed. Okay, clear? Is this clear? Right. This is rule number 7. Next are ఈ రూల్ ఈ 6 రూల్స్ అనేవి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అన్న. ఆన్ హ్యావ్ 6 రూల్స్. లెట్స్ recap every rule. First one is on is used before specific date, day and day of the week. Okay, for that we need to use on. On is used for what? Specific part on a day. I have already mentioned Friday night, Sunday morning, Saturday night. We have party on Sunday evening. Okay, we have a test on Sunday morning. Okay. Next, what is the third rule? This is the position. It shows the position. Okay. What is rule number 4? Membership. Where member. If it is a member means, if you are a member means you exist in that. Okay. You exist in that. Okay. You exist in that. Okay. What is rule number 5? On is used for cause. For if you are saying any cause, you need to use on. Okay. Next, what it is, Nana? On is used for condition. It is for condition. I have already said to you, on foot, on duty, on holiday, how he is, how you are. Okay. Next, no preposition is needed before yesterday, today, tomorrow. Okay. This is what. Now we are discussing about the prepositional phrases. Very, very, very important part of our prepositional learning. For these words, you need to remember each and every word in this box. Each and every word. You need to remember each and every word in this box. You need to by heart. Why? Because of these are the prepositional phrases. For this business, we need to use on only. Computer on, foot on, duty on, leave on, tour on, sale on the desk, on the Monday morning, on the weekend, on the Saturday evening, on Christmas Day, on December 25th, on New Year evening, on the condition of, on the advice of, on the recommendation of. Okay, for this we need to use on. Next, these are very, 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 very important prepositions, prepositional phrases. Play a joke on, have pity on. Okay, an attack on, dependence on, make on. Sorry, Nana. This is make an impression on. Is continuation. This is continuation. Okay, make an impression on. Okay, clear? These are the very important prepositional phrases, right? Next part in our learning process is that examples. How to do with the questions in our examination. Okay, I will come dash Monday. Monday means what, Anna? Monday means what? Day of the week, na? Day of the week, we need to use what? On. It's showing position, na? On. Sunday, day of the week. For television, TV, radio. For radio, we need to use what, Nana? We need to use on. Okay. It is a date, 24th April. Television on. Sunday night on. Printed books on. Man sat on the bench. On radio. Clear? These are all on. Okay. Some more examples are there. Let's see. He slept dash floor. Floor మీద పడుకుంటాడు కదా. Floor లోపల పడుకోడు కదా. In the floor కాదు కదా. Right. Very important. River banks. If you are referring to the river banks, if you are referring to the river banks, there also we need to use on. If you are referring to the river banks, which means on Nile అంటే ఇట్లా నైల్ వాటర్ పోతుంటే వాటర్ పైన ఏమి ఉండదు ఈజిప్ట్, ఇక్కడ బ్యాంక్ పైన ఉంటుంది అనమాట. బ్యాంక్ మీన్స్ ఒడ్డు. ఓకే, దే సిట్ ఆన్ టేబుల్. ఐ థింక్ దే ఆర్ లీవింగ్ ద 4th of June, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి, ఏదైనా కానీ ఇక్కడ మంత్ ఉంటుంది కదా. ఓకే, ఎగ్జామ్ ఫినిష్ ఆన్ 20th December. Taj Mahal is on the river Yamuna, which means bank. Okay, river పైన ఏమి ఉండదు కదా. The girl sat on your right. On the advice of, on the condition of your working, on the recommendation of your brother, on the advice of, on TV, on phone, on guitar, on fire, on the left. These are all examples of what, Nana? On prepositions. Is this clear? Is this clear? All are watching live class. 25, 35, we are watching class, live class. Please press the like button if you are happy with my class. Please press like button. Okay. So this is all, Nana. This is all about on rules. Okay. Again, I will send the video for you. For this, I will send the recorded video in your app also. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for being part in this live class. Thank you.